Hello guys, welcome back. So in the previous video we managed to run our server, which is now active on port 8000. Now it's time to create a new app. So to create a new app, we're going to stop the server by typing Ctrl+C on the command prompt. Now let me clear the screen by typing CLS first of all. Now authentication system is the name of our project. Now to create a new app, you're just going to type this command: Django-admin start app 4. Core is going to be the name of our app. Now we want to register this core app in the settings file. So go to the project, go to the settings file, and at the end here, just register the core app. That's good to go. Now if you refresh the page, sorry, I forgot to start my server. Python manage.py run server. Now the server is still good and running, and if you refresh the page, it is also good and running. So we have registered our core app. So which means the project is called Authentication System and the core is the app. Let's keep going. Let's see each other in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Peace.